Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Kumusta ang mga gwapo o gwapa diha?
Hi, love, love. Mara, say hi.
So today is Tuesday guys. So how was your Monday yesterday? I hope you had a great day. You had fun, no? Kasi ako yesterday busy ko pintal-pintal. So, pero ang update dahil sa akong motor guys, no, okay ra dahil siya kay wa pa dito na uga ang iyang kuan. So, wa na siya niya so after og padagan. So today while I'm talking to you guys, mag-laminate ko kuan kang lablab nga kuan mga flashcards para long-term use siya kay ug autistic manggod gisi-gision. So manang kuan, bahala gasto og kanang kuan guys, bahala gasto ning maglaminate basta kay o galing nga naman sa dinahong machine. I bought this one from Lazada. So if you do shopping there guys make sure you go to download the application Shopback. So whenever you go shopping any online sites, you start to log in from Shopback para na may kuan ba return of kanang expenses. Di good po siya anak kada po pero at least ba na ay mga kuan na paghapi mga daginot. So Panda, I thank you for all the followers. We are now 6.4. Thank you for the support and the people who followed me and then I followed them back. So, inanagid na guys, tinabangay jud ta. Kaya, hindi ko ka ma-follow, you will never earn ka ng followers. Kaya, maragod po na business, part of the business man na siya. So, thankful po ta kay Mita, kay naanatay ko an pag-gift. So, pwede na makasapi ng atong reels o kaning video kung naay mo hatag, no? Di mo po ni pinugsanay. So, whoever ka nang willing to give and you appreciate this video and you have gained insightful kuan. So, gitrial na ko siya yesterday guys kung ma-charge din siya baya ko ang Gcash. So, kanila giving di ta vlogger, no? Di ta mga content creator. So, disclaimer, I'm not a professional and clinical advisor for mental health, and I'm not a professional and a guidance love counselor. So this is only based on my experience and the books that I read and my overall kanang knowledge, you know. So I'm sharing this to you all guys. Instead of having this content na walay mga meaning, no? So let's make it like more on mental health, no? This is really my advocacy because it's not easy to have a depression, anxiety, and bipolar. Now having due to environmental impact of my daughter when I was hospitalized in Kuwait. It's been almost 3 months. So she has this environmental impact that caused her traumatic experience. No, okay. I have completed the course online that it doesn't autistic or autism child hasn't developed from genetics only. It is through it's not genetics means wala na sa inyong dugo guys, wala na sa inyong mga kaliwat it's from the environmental experience, no? So for her experience before manggod, she was been passed through in different people, no? So napiktuhan ihang brain, and she has this kids with autism manggod, it's high-end anxiety. Then it leads to depression. Pod ma-depress sila kay or magtantrums na sila due to anxiety and expressionable kanang emotions. And since autistic child has a challenge to talk, then this is the thing, no? One of their challenges. So we'll not discuss today about autism because I'm still in a learning process. No, I just finished module 2 yesterday until almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So I also keep time for myself learning. So muna guys, muna nagkaibag na jud ko. Pero okay na now, I still sleep like 7 hours kay 1 o'clock to 7 a.m. and may mag-wake up ni Amara. Kasi tinas buntag pala umok ni guys. So today we will talk about 10 gahapon, no? It is 10 powerful insights about love and mental health, like overall mental well-being and how love affects brain chemistry. So, about ng brain chemistry, guys, no, I'm always talking about you guys, like dopamine, serotonin, endorphin, oxytocin. So, gawas ni ron. So, just to give you also an insight, tomorrow I will discuss about this hormonal brain chemistry hormones. No? Kung napoy science chemistry, napod body chemistry. So, munang mahabantay mo guys sa inyong mga partner. Mga sila parehas jud sila utok. Parehas jud sila utok guys. Kay parehas mo na sila brain chemistry. No, mo nang kuan. Wala po yung jud nga opposite attracts. Mura po battery. So, mo nag-iingon nga, ug unsay kuwang sa usa, ipuno sa usa para mo-function ilahang love. Just like what we have now trending, no, like Filmar, nahog na ag Philippine logo na himo ng Filmar, ag Philippine isara tawag Philippine insurance, PhilHealth, ag PhilHealth na himo ng Filmar. So naon sa na nahimo ng government ko unsa kanang 2 to 4, no, today, tomorrow and forever. Niposta na ba mo guys sa kuan gahapon? Iposta na ba mo adtong swertres? Kaya nakapuntay bog-uron. Ito, no? So, there's no relationship which is perfect, no? Okay. Hindi ka on sa machine nag-kuan. So guys, kay murag kay ko ande ipatol ang machine. Tingnan. Yung mo jaman gud ni si Jawa na maglisod na pag pawahay ka di. So, asra noon tawal start ha. Today we will discuss the top 10. As I mentioned, we just always stick to 10 because our brain cannot accommodate too much information, no? Our brain can only accommodate for maximum 1 hour. You cannot digest all the information I'm going to talk about. So, that's why I always put the kuan ko sa tawong mga gipang suwat-suwat din hino. I always have my journal. So, aura na siyang kuan da guys. So, tangan ba hashtag. So, manay pa rin yung hang guide. You can go back there. No? Yeah, you can see which chemistry really kuan which chemistry tips works in you. Ano naman ka? Uy, nga naman kang hanggang ka. Okay. Baga-baga mong gunis siya nga paan guys. Uy, morning hang. Saan siya na mo ipapalingot ko. Yeah, mo gihapon guys, di ko kita og kinsa jud ka ng kuan ka di jud mo appear dire na mo kuskusina gud kanunay. Ari man good ko I'm always here in the kitchen because it's easier for me to do things kay dako ang lamisa ba. Then I'm decluttering here, arranging things, making Amara's school things. Okay, we are doing now school homing man. School homeschool learning about the autism. So tawhin kalimtan og suksok ako sa kapatid. Anyway, we can utilize it for later. So, without further ado, guys, I will start. Just be patient with me. I'm also doing things because I'm doing multitasking, no? Talking to you and then doing this work for Amara, for my daughter. So, first, love boosts happiness with dopamine. No? So, na-discuss namin ng dopamine, guys. But we will still dive into that. So, when you experience love, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone, no? That enhances pleasure, motivation. Love can make you feel energized and joyful. So, kabantay mo, guys, whenever you have even like massage, this is how you feel, like you're having this kanang kuan mo ni siya gitawag og kanang happiness hormone, no? Sometimes it can be erotic food, no, na sensual. So naa siya ma-feel na ninyo sa inyong partner kung sila mong hilok ninyo, no, dang gilok. So mo na siya inyong ma-feel, guys. Mo na ang dopamine, it's a happy hormone na siya. It releases kanang pleasure sa inyong body, no? When a person touches you, especially na it's sensual or kanang erotic or something like that, it gives a signal in your brain, and this hormonal transmitter to your brain, it will transmit to your brain, and then you will have this kind of feeling, no? Sometimes kanang if you are uncomfortable, you were sweating or you were shaking, mana siya mga kuan, or your heart is beating too much or too fast. So this is one of the kanang body kanang responses sa imong kuan, sa imong pagka-happiness. Di ra kay kanang magkatawa-katawa ka, magising-ising. Yes, you will also laugh, you will also giggle, you also smile, you know. Yeah. You feel like kanang magkodol-kodol mo, you know, kanang maghag-hag mo. So ma-feel na ninyo diha, guys. So, sa kay sa di ipansak ring laminate. Then, number 2, oxytocin, the love hormone, no? Depends, bonds, and physical touch, hugs, and intimacy releases oxytocin, which strengthens emotional connection, build trust, build trust, and reduces stress. So, isa guys, kay ungot naman yung basta di balansi kay ano yung kaungutan. Tiko naman gano'n siya. So, oxytocin, guys, usually, it will increases also once the mother is pregnant, no? Mo jud nang, guys, og pregnant inyong asawa, guys, ayo jud na stress kay. If they will be stressed and they will be kanang emotional stress, it will affect their brain and it will create signals of anxiety or depression. And it would lead to mental kuan lagi mana then the oxytocin hormones will not produce kung ma-stress na siya, di na siya ka-produce of breast milk. Kay oxytocin, this is a love hormone, this is part of kuan, this is part of the breastfeeding, no, breast milk. So kung gusto mo magtipid guys, hala ayo dyan na, ayo awayo inyong misis din ha, no. What is wrong with you? No, naman nila di naman si Jamo ko ang love eh. No, siguro nangalanay sa ilaw mo. Open. So, mo ito yung oxytocin, guys. No? It's it will increase also kung maghaghag mo, will do intimacy, no? With love making. Thank you, love. So, napun na siya mga napun na siya mga benefits ng inyong physical intimacy, pagka-intimate sa inyong relationship, no? But precautions for the beginners, na especially mga estudyante karon in taon, pag hinahon na tayo sa inyong ginikanan sa inyong mga gasto, no? Who's ever watching this, and even if you are a mother who has kids or teenagers or in a relationship, now guys, we are in a new generation na prevention is better than cure. Prevention means mabuntis mo yung inyong anak, so educate them. Because I think nowadays it's because of the conservativeness, no, conservativeness ba na itawag ana, conservative kaita, we don't talk about this sex education. So this sex education, guys, will not only I know sometimes it's against by religion, okay, but now this is really happening from all over the world. And the thing is, if you gonna educate your child, it prevents them from mental stress, no? It will prevent them from having an anxiety, having a depression, or either they can be turned to bipolar, no? It's not easy. That's why sometimes children, they go to suicidal, no? Bipolar 1. Nag-suicide na hinuon kay wakasabot ang ginikanan, kay nabuntis ba ron, dyan pakawawa noon sa padiha. Accept them, guys, no? Because even though they're still your kids, and for those teenagers also who are watching now, and you are having this relationship, make sure you're in a safe relationship, ha? Why AIDS na inyong partner? Di na hugaw inyong partner, kay kamura po yung allowed, ana. Para by tambas AIDS ron, kay sana, it will be hereditary also. It will be passed through other people, no? And even it can be passed to other people also by kanangguan, by saliva, no? Ma-transfer na siya. So, prevention is better than cure, no? As I have said. So, generally, like parents, they always restrict their child to have a relationship. It's okay to have boyfriend and girlfriend, but it has to be with a limitation. Okay, asara ba na guys, whenever you finish your studies, no, mag-graduate na mo, na may kagalingang kuan, sus, explore to the max, no, whatever you have seen in the movies, apply it, no, explore it. Whatever you have read in Kama Sutra book, do it, no? But whenever you have finished your kanang studies, okay, or if you are that just so active, even not only for the teenagers, no, it's also for the couple, to spice up your relationship, guys. Watch some romantic movies or something like about erotic or something like that. Listen to the music that lift up your spirit, especially on February 14, no? If you don't want to have romantic something like that, do it in a bedroom. Make bed making. Tualya ra baron, butangan humuo na inyong kalapati, guys. Make it like a swan, and symbol, make it a shape of swan, and then ana siya ba para mahimo siyang heart. watch YouTube, guys. It's easy. And then, if you have any kind of petals, flowers, or spread the flowers in your bedroom or in your kanang hallway going to do your bedroom, yan, ano? This is just an idea, ha? Just not to expend too much of money, just be practical, because it's not about posting in social media. Yes, we have a kind fancy dinner, but you don't have this kind of intimacy, having this kind of relationship between you guys. So sayang gyapon inyong money and effort, no? So while do it in the para na sa mga minyo, ha? So if you are watching and you are not married, so skip it out. Okay, para na sa mga minyo. So but if you have a relationship, make it unique, authentic, no? Personalize, send love letters, like this. Be like write something, It's not only it's not about buying fancy let's say jewelries. Now it's iPhone 14 Pro Max unya ilabog ana wa naliki dayon ang ko screen. So sayang inyohang pila na 30,000 or 40,000. So instead of buying that, bring something or if you really want to buy something valuable, buy gold, because in the long run you can what we call it, she can or he can use it, it has value. So double meaning, it's a value, the ring is valuable kay gold. And then plus ngita kag symbolizes unsa man na siya. So for example kaning ring is butterfly, so it symbolizes me before, like I'm just like shy person, and then I evolved to very talkative person when you know me. Na bitaw siya, guys. So ambot kung kasi nakakita na ho ron gahiwat na akong nagwire dire kay slow internet na mo kusina. Magbutang siguro kog antenna dire, para mo kapit ag kadang kuan kanang internet connection. So mo ta siya, guys. Asa ra bata ron. Musimang jud akong ako ang kuan maski na ko sheets bitaw. Bas just it's realistic sa tinud-anay lang ba nga istorya, just to avoid this mental breakdown or meltdown sa inyong anak. What you want, love? Esa guys, ay kanang mira na bang anak. What you want? No. Yes, it is mirror. Wow, beautiful. Can I give you something, love? Come here. Come to mommy, B. Here. Wow, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So, akong anak ron, nagtantrums. Wa pa ning tukar ang tantrums. Kaya man-tantrums na siya, guys. Autism child, they usually bang their head. They're doing self-harming. This is the way for them to communicate certain kuan ng di nila ma-express ilahang emotions ba or ilahang gusto. So nasa sila gusto, guys, dili po nimo matuman, dili mo ihatag mo po na one of the reason nga magtantrums jud na siya. Ihad siya ng tuyuon ng magpatumba-tumba, magpapakog-pakog sa ulo. So one thing that I have ensured for her is kanang dili yun magpakog ihang kanang pinakaulog yun. So sango na sa diin. So I always instead nga kanang pakog-pakog niya na anaon ako siya ana na dyan na siya hanan og kanang ni guys. Okay, usahay man na sa kusina niya magpa-kuan siya para na dyan palaban ako kanunay, guys, hangyer. Kay mutuo na siya og hanger. She's afraid with the hanger, but hanan nimo siya og kanang latos, gungi baron or silhig na di siya nang patuo guys. So my kanang parenting style is kung magtantrum na siya, ako siyang ikodol or ako siyang kanang gitik-gitikon, no? Siyang kanang panon o kanang in my tummy ba to? In my tummy, I have belly button. Naon ako siya. So, gitik-gitik ko na ko siya yung lapa-lapa. Yan na. Kaya mamayahang weak point. No? So, discover your child's weak point pod para makuha mo siya, masolusyonan mo ihang tantrums. Kaya, if you will kanang hit her, ang ihang mentality, magbinaslanay ra dahil may anig ko, andi ay bunal. So, inana man gani nga pamaagi inyong parenting style, guys. Nigada ko sa inyong anak, magginukuray ra po mo bunal. So, tayo sa guys, kay maraming ungot na dyan ni ahong ko, ano. So, whoever's watching the IOI, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time and your patience. Especially na every time na mag-live ko, no. Nga, aliwaros kay kong dagway. So, nagkahibat diri og dito. And then, most of the time also, my daughter is with me. She always like, needed an attention. So, ug di na siya taga-attention guys, mo na mamirag bukok, mamugno, manglayog. So, mo na ending. Let's move on to number 3. So, love reduces stress hormones. Being in a loving relationship lowers cortisol level, helping you stay calm, reducing anxiety, and improving overall mental well-being. So, kabantay mo guys, kana bitong, kanang in love mo, kanang di mo mag-away sa inyong partner. You feel like really motivated, energized, and then calm. You don't have this kind of kanang anxiousness feeling, no, whenever you were with them or with him or with her, no. So, also, this is also what your kids also will feel. So, they feel safe, no? Whenever you show them that this kind of love and protection, not that kind of love nga physical harassment ng pagkalab, no? There is like punishment, but you have to tell to the kids or to your I have given you this punishment because you did this, you did that. So, currently, Amara, she cannot understand that. But I will always say no. When I say no, no with kanang, without, with action. Yeah, ug mo kag yes, munod po kasi mong head na yes. Just like a simple gestures po. So, mo to siya guys. Let's move on to number, sa naman tawag. Taas ra ba ni number 110 ba yan niya? Inyuhang manang Flores here is always talking. Wa na diri, wa na dito. Pero wag gihapon atong topic like guys ha. How love affects brain chemistry. So, you may never realize that these hormones exist in your body, no? So, even before when I was reading when I was still reading this book of psychology and love, about like love and affection and all these kinds of relationship book, I was also like amazed, like wow, we have this and we have that. And even guys nowadays, because of mental health concerns, we even have this even you can buy this medicine also. Some medications you can buy it without prescriptions, but you have to be mindful also that maybe it will affect it can be addictive. So like for me, I have medicine which is prescribed by my doctor. It's what we call it, Dipacot. Dipacot, this is like also a dopamine. It's like a mood it's a serotonin. It has a serotonin because it's a mood stabilizer, no? It's prevented for me for having mood swings, because once you will be having a bipolar, guys, having an anxiety and depression, you never know when is your mania and manic episode will come. So just to have a preventive measures, I have to take this medication every 8 in the morning, and then Ribotril also I have to take it 8 p.m. at night. Even though I have already a good cycle of sleeping, still I need to maintain that. More na siya kuan, guys. It's like similar to having maintenance for high blood and diabetes. Because if you will stop it, then there is a high tendency that the depression and instead the bipolar 2 ko, basig ba bipolar 1 na hinuon ko, no? Simba kuhay, basig maghikog na nantas was oras. So that's one of the preventive measures. And then every 3 months I have to go and visit my doctor just to have a share feedbacks, how do you feel about the medication, and then the doctor will talk to you in a certain way. Then psychologically they will read your gestures, the way you talk, the way you speak, the way that you respond to them, and then he decide either to increase or to decrease your medication. So I started before with 8 medicines, guys. So pila tong mga lithium kanang about sa imong blood. If you are lack of lithium in your blood, it also causes you depression and anxiety or panic attack or hypertension, no? So this is due to overfatigue mo na imong dugo kuwang kuwang na siya og kanang lithium. So there are still other cases, no? Okay. And di po na siya hereditary, di po na siya kanang genetics. It's also due to the environmental surroundings or work. Let's say, for example, you have work in a toxic environment. This also develop, no, anxiety and depression. You get anxiety due to unrealistic expectations, no? You are doing all they have requested to you, and then in the end they even have a time to check it out, and then you have spent a lot of time for that. You have spent sleepless night just to make this kind of report. It's not only for one store, it's 8 store, imagine. And not only for Kuwait, it's all over Middle East, except Saudi Arabia. Imagine Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, and Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar. Yeah, it's 4 countries, and then 8 stores in Kuwait. So, muna guys, ang ending sa akong brain. 9 add to. I just asked for a rest, and I had already a medical report, but yes, I was at home. I was taking my 3-day sick leave, but it wasn't a sick leave. I'm not even sleeping. I was still in my laptop and my phone. No, there are still unending requests, an ending report, an ending chichiburichi, no? Sa Bisaya pa, chichiburichi. Sabot ba mo adto, guys? Kamo na lang sabot adto, no? So the other thing also was causing you stress is you're not able to sleep, you're not eating enough. Let's say, for example, you don't have this stable time. Oy, don't switch off. Mommy is still working. See, oh? It's already been laminated. Ako na lang ikat. So, muna siya guys. So, let's move on. Ay, taas na to. So, number 4, love improves na slow connection na sad ni. Ay, ano sa naman taon. PLDT og love in town. Kada buwan ba dyan magbayad akong igsuon ha? Tapos gikusgi pud taon ni oy. 5G injo hang fiber diha unja asa may naka fiber ani. Medyo pag abaka kay napay fiber. Medyo pag pineapple kay napay fiber. Ag internet wa siya fiber. Wala is good na tag health og kuan ani guys. Bitaw no. Ka-relate ba mo to? So, number 4, love improves emotional resilience. Ito man ang emotional resilience. Kanang emotional resilience, guys, it's your ability to adapt. Adapt kag kuan ba? Adapt, you can easily adapt in any situations, no? Or it's easily cope up in any difficult or stressful situations. Muna siyang manay ka ng emotional resilience nga. Di ka basta-basta maapektuhan. You are not ka nang easily get bothered or disturbed with people around you or a stressful situation like complaints or whatever, no? So your mind is always having this positive you always have this positive mindset. That's why you are not being easily bothered. Then, knowing you are loved and supported increases your ability to handle life's challenges, making you mentally stronger. So, like for me, guys, when I was working in a hotel, I never feel stress, no? Maskin pag we are in a high occupancy, no? Because we always have time to have fun, enjoy life, and if I feel exhausted or feel tired or something like that, exhaustion, like stress, mental stress, then I go to the gym, no? That's why if I feel bored also, I do cross training. I went to accounting department. I went to sports and leisure in the fitness gym. And then when I finished my cross training in the hotel, then I continue the fitness and or gym activities in the accommodation. Kaya na may accommodation gym sa Jumeirah. And then when I started to work in Sephora, guys, at the beginning, no, before Amara came, when Amara's father was still there with me, I never feel that, stress, because, as I mentioned in my previous videos, mas stress guys, po may hunaw-hunaw ako sa balay nga, siya na itiglabas, siya na luto, siya na tanan, igo na lang kumatog, no? Huwat na nang kaglambing-lambing, ano, inandamon pag sanina, guys, no? Inana, bitaw, no? Kaya, kasuway mo na inyuhang kuhaan kay limpyutan na, no? Sus, naday tagi pangayo. Ready pa imuhang outfit, no? And just to spice up your relationship, guys, you wear something kuhaan po, no? Costume, you act like, let's say, for example, you are Wonder Woman, Superwoman, or let's say, a police woman, no? Ano sa paniha-diha nga mga characters ng inyong sundugon? Kanya kintaha inyong bana, inyong i-victimize, may inyong pisukon. So, this is just to spice up also your relationship. And then, you have to watch some movies also, no? Or read something, books about lovemaking. You know, have you tried all the positions in Kama Sutra? This is only rated PJ, which should be with the guidance of your parents. No, the position of Kama Sutra. Have you watched the 3 episodes of 365? Have you watched Suits series? Have you watched Toy Boy, what else? Orange is the New Black. No, this kind of series can gain you more insights about relationships, no? Muna guys nga, wako gajaba-jabaan hindi pa yung storya guys. Kay this is based on the movies I love to watch, and this is based on the book I read. I just like take some, you know, points from there and make it in one content. Okay, if you would just focus in one book, guys, you would feel bored, no? Imagine how many pages in one book. You have to read it all, no? Para nang how to be how to be a highly effective person, no? So how you will be a highly effective person if you are not mentally and physically ready, no? Emotionally, especially, you know. You know that IQ and EI, or emotional intelligence, or intelligence quotients totally differ, no? In academic, for example, in let's say university, you know, she graduated or he graduated magna cum laude, so it means he has a very high IQ. But in terms of working in a public relationship, or let's say guest service things, or human resources, this person who has a higher IQ cannot handle a person, no? Because he's only intellectual brilliant. He's academically brilliant. Emotional intelligence, guys, this is how you give love, empathize, sympathize. And then how this is like the emotional resilience, word of wisdom, analyzing situation, you know, making a constructive feedback, not pointing on the mistake of others. You take the action. Wait, give me the scissor. Wait. It's very dangerous for you. No? You always love to be fun. Nguha na po siya sa scissor, guys. Delikado ba dyan yung... Oh. Yeah. Hi, beautiful. Kani, guys. This is also a magnifier. Sa kuan kaya po din sa previous work na ako kay bawa na mag-asa, no? Panglabay raman ni, guys. So, agusta raman kay pagpada. Huwag gilabog raman sa nabuak. Mo ni, no? Love, how it will go inside if you will turn it off, keep it on, so it will slide, no? So let's move on, be. Ay, mo na po na kuhaan ng cellphone, be. Mami, be. Stop climbing lagi, Amara, stop climbing. Mapasok ka ng kuhaan. It will burn, it will hurt you. It will hurt you. Can I carry you, babe? Yeah. Okay. Now, we are in number 5. Yeah, I have mentioned with you already, guys. No, what you ka feel of stress during when he was there with me before Amara. Before this, my love came, because he was there, and then if I feel stressed, I always talk to him, and I told him that happens at work, blah, 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 so how I will handle the situation. So he always give me an advice. But when Amara came, I was alone, you know. Amara's papa is not there. So that's why it was challenging for me, and also my work has been loaded up, left and right. So imagine having a baby, and 3 o'clock in the morning na mata pa.
Pag-ilis na, saan naman oras ang matulog? Sumsi naman.
Ano na ito?
Importante na yung muna diya. Saan mo pagplang? Saan mo saksak dyan?
Ang motor di ay?
Hisog ka ng motor, pwede ko madisgrasya.
Mag-ampo, di po gumadisgrasya ka ba? Nung tag-drive.
Na may diferensya ng motor.
Katuromang kuan, katuromang.
Ang tiris na niya, ay mga pitos per gram.
O, lagi.
O, di ko mag-stop na po per gram.
Okay. Okay, love. Let's make this one fast. Me. So, pinagdangapura na sila, guys, manglakaw. So, serotonin is the mood stabilizer in love, and love increases serotonin, a key hormone that keeps emotions balanced and help prevent mood swing and depression. So, money, guys, one of the thing that you really have to take care of your mental health, because once your chemical hormones imbalance in your brain, that's the thing that you physically dysfunction, no? And it doesn't synchronize your love. I cannot hear what I'm talking because you're covering my ears. Then this is the thing that whatever you think in your mind, and then the way that you speak and your body moves doesn't collide, no? So that's why people misunderstood you, or people will say that you are totally crazy or out of the mind. Muna siya. So let's turn this one off. Save energy. And then number 6. Love enhances motivation and confidence. Baby, yes, the baby is there. So, Moto guys, I already have mentioned this in a previous video, but still I have to remind you that love enhances motivation and confidence. So, supportive love releases endorphins, boosting confidence and pushing you towards personal growth and success. So, katong endorphins, guys, as I mentioned, it is a pain relief, no? It's a pain reliever hormone. So, with that, when you have a loving partner, this releases or increases your hormones for endorphin, no? So, maski kung sa pana, guys, muna, high intolerance ka sa pain. Muna, sa una, hindi ko madali-dali og kanang kuan, kanang apekto gun sa pana nyo, ipang storya din ha, no? So, physical, number 7 na ta. Physical affection improves mental clarity. Simple gestures like hand holding, hugging, and cuddling, cuddling increases oxytocin and serotonin, improving focus and emotional stability. So, as I mentioned, oxytocin is the love hormone, and then the serotonin is the mood stabilizer hormone. So, I will not get irritated whenever my love will annoys me. No? This is the thing. So, number 8. Love helps with better sleep. Feeling secure and love lowers stress hormones, improving sleep quality and overall mental health. In my tummy, I have belly button. In my tummy, I have belly button. In my tummy, I have belly button. My tummy. Ano na siya, guys, no? So, mag-love making mo, guys. Bantay mo, hagop into hangtog. Kano kung satisfied mo, guys. Kung satisfied, muna, hinungdan sa inyong anxiety. So, let's move on. So, number 10, love and connection lead to a stronger, healthier life. Studies shows that people in loving relationship tend to live longer, healthier lives with better mental well-being. No, kamanday pag mo na nga, if you really truly love someone, and then may mga normal naman dyan na struggle sa life, no? Paraan na lang Andy o Bikuan ni Philmar. So, it's part of a relationship, guys. They will go through a storm. No, mo na ilahang kuan storms ilang kinabuhi. But we shouldn't dwell on their judging them, no, because nobody is perfect. So, we cannot also say that about the physical look. Andy have left all her fancy life, luxury life, and being an artist, no, an actress. Yeah, just to stay with Pilmar, and then Pilmar also was the famous sana siya kanang skating and sana siya ocean skating so tawag niya. So it's not about the looks, no. So they fall in love about because of their chemistry and then emotional connections. But now because you of kanang kuan jud guys, bisan sa imagine na inyo ka kuan kahigog masa sa usa. Mas pagilami kay na inyong gugma. Pilit ang gugma nag ang gugma nga pinapilit. Og ang gugma nga gipakatay. No? Di na mula hutay guys. Kung naadyoy daghang bigaon sa kalibutan. O bigaan. Malaki pa, no? So, just a takeaway, guys, no? For male or female or wherever gender you are. Now we are in a generation, if you don't have a partner, di mag-goal, guys. Because you can still do by yourself, no? Alone. There's also benefits on that, doing M, no? In English, it's called masturbation. Okay? So, there is also health benefits for you guys. It will improve your health, mental clarity, and so many things, no? Go and check Dr. Becky Bello's things. And also, check in Sephora website UK how much is their vibrator. Ano na vibrator, guys? Men and women, ha? Kung gusto ra mo ka ng handy, discreet, hindi mailhan, kung unsa na siya, kung gusto po mo mga realistic nga skin type, nanay daghang available, guys. Kung gusto po mo realistic nga murag emotional, hala, emo ka ng kuan, kuha og AI, artificial intelligence self-partner. No? Or kanang soul partner tawag nila. Meta! I always have my original background here. My soundtrack. Presenting by Amara Fleur. Guys, so that's it for tonight. Now, tonight naman. For today's guys, thank you for watching, and whoever's watching, I wish you a million. I wish you God bless you in a million times back. No, wishing you a great day, great year ahead. Be a snake who shed your skin. No, think outside the box. Don't be a skin who sneak at people's business and no, tukob-tukobon sila, patalikod o patubangan, no? Don't be like that. Be the snake's personality who always keep their head low, but ready to attack whenever it's needed. Means like those self-learning, educate yourself, be mindful for things, and so on. So tomorrow's updates, we're gonna talk about chemistry hormones, brain hormones, and their neurotransmitters. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. God bless you a million times back. Your kiss. Hi. Let's turn it off. Because we will go now. Bye-bye, guys. Slow connection, I cannot click the finish. Yeah, okay.